Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
The governor
Subscribe to
of
this
Kaduna
channel
State,
and press
el-Rufai,
like.
says nobody should
Subscribe,
take you serious
you'll be able to get
because you will not win.
notifications each time we
And that
post.
you are best a Nollywood
We
actor.
love you guys.
Okay, the Actors Guild of Nigeria has responded that he's putting down their profession.
They don't need to protest.
El-Rufai says you can't score more than 1% in Sokoto, 2% in Katsina, maybe 5% in Kano, and that's all there is, and that you should focus on Nollywood.
Well, I thank el-Rufai for what he said. At least he gave me some percentage. So I'm going to work hard to improve those percentage. And he recognized the fact that I'm an actor. And I think part of what is holding this country from development is recognizing those engines that will develop us. One of the most critical places I want to focus is improving our entertainment industry, which includes the Nollywood. And now that I'm an acclaimed actor, I'm asking all those who are involved in the entertainment industry, being one of them, to support me so that I can improve their position. What else can you do when people in your industry, when those who are here have recognized me as one of them, I urge them to support me so that we can be able to ensure that I build their business better.